create more here, all the B and the C. The category A means only for those people ki bam dan dia ban la job isolation ki la ban sa itu ke category A ha to aku quota.
That's what.
And they as of now will concentrate on kita ke B ke C. So we can step down, step up, step down. Therefore we have 2 wards, one for male, one for female. Then we can maybe capacity 5 beds can maybe take oxygen at the blood.
Have your own promises. Nobody can ask you to give this place. But the court would ask you maybe. So you have to keep ready so that the data you given there, the beds availability is like this. In the court is this presently and this post one. Accordingly we work out. There. So we have the proposed one also in Cloud which can cater about this now. So like that.
We have to convert the policy winter plan long
depending on the situation.
Depending on the situation, that's
That's what I'm saying.
Maybe we have to increase the category C, the category C number of beds from 5 maybe to 10, depending upon the search.
That's what I'm saying. But we have already identified Nongklau also. But for the time being, because of manpower, we will not be able to manage for even for you also now, this location and that location also.
Ban penjana shushu kumno ba kaching a ching sumar kan bit kan biang na banta kitu kipayo covid lengba ki hospital ki bodan pok mairang konsensi u ameli kamarang bolongru ulampang ke yeng batawan u ba met ba lingdo ha ka pratrik juliu lalai banjurep ki hospital ki bakantup ya kanong klau CSC ba pinyai da ke NGO Citizen Foundation kamairang PSC kantup ru ya ka hospital ka badem ka bodan ha mission ki corona care center bat kwi kwi ha ka ju ka si ba met ba lalai ru banjurep ya ka oxygen plan kabarang tay menta hasanda pat kamairang CHC
visit igi katapan igi jaka ba sumar makabanta ki ba pakrisno kowe gede pot cloud CHC akabe dei ba kecing te kam dengan hospital kepala penyait da ka NGO ke Citizen Foundation bat hadin mengira ya pek nila ya jok benjungo nakabanta kuno ban nang penjadi bat nang penjanai ya ka jing ai sumar nak benda ki nong snong bai ba jong ka tuka dong ka thain do ko we nang ta nalo ka niru na ya pe tu akabe de bat ki care center ka ba ide bat ni ka covid nak benda ka jing sumar ki ba yo ya uni jing pang Tenua kan niru ngai yo lat ni kundu ini ngai lam jang kasnong ana kan ndoki ki dapat snowi ya kat kan ni kali ni ya kan kam ki ban thamai ya ke kam jang hospital nang ta susu na din kan ni ngai yo kundu ru ya ka mairan CSC ha ka bai dei bat ka jing sna ya ka oxygen plant wana ka yang ka soka kala ai ya kan ni ka Mayang CSC kum kawai niki hospital jong gani kan time west kasus ban don no ka jong ka oxygen plant wang yu I ha ki por ki ba menta ba kita chibon ki na ka supply ya ki oxygen cylinder sa ki hospital ki ban kam ai ki ba ko ba stam nangta layor ban pe ya kani ka all Mayang CSC sa civil hospital ke Badim Badan apa Mairang Property ka kadang mission bat ya kani la penbit pembiang pen bha naga bantawan ai ya semua ya kini ki corona covid cases balong but ka hospital ka along ready ban take up yakini light na stang katukan ni ki tiar ki badan kam ban pembiang ha kani ka hospital ka ba nakaliang jong ke department bad directorate ngej kam ki lanang ya chama ka jing konkret ya kita ki equipments ki badai nak benta kan ya jaka ka hospital ko dim nang ka la yo ru banyak kren ka bedi kumnu ban ailat ya ban penhe susu ya ka compound le ni ka area jong ka Mairang civil hospital ba entah apa sangsong akaba bidang ditrai jaka tu kiba keluar ya kaban ya ais so high ka jaka da ka jing su jumut bat ka department penang ban yo ban bu ban nang sna susu let's say la da ka long ka ba bed ba biang na ka benda ka warehouse ha ka bedi bat ki dawai na ka benda kecil dan hospital bat kini dong kita ini baba